இன்னைக்கு என்ன பண்ணட்டும்?
Beans curry.
Okay, done. Let us prepare simple and easy beans thoran without coconut.
Subscribe for more videos.
சமைக்க ஆரம்பிக்கலாமா? In a kadai, take 2 tablespoon oil. Once hot, add 1 tablespoon mustard seeds, 2 tablespoon chana dal. Fry them. Once they splutter and the dal turns slightly brown, add 2 medium-sized onions thinly sliced. Saute them. Once the onions turn slightly golden, add some curry leaves. Stir fry them. I am adding 250 grams of boiled beans. You can also add raw beans and cover and cook them after you add salt. Add salt as needed. Add 1 teaspoon pepper powder. Adjust the spice level according to your taste. Give this a good mix. The beans thoran without coconut is ready. This is slightly different to the usual beans poriyal and it tastes great. சமையல் ready.
Hit the like button, click the bell icon, subscribe for more videos.